This is a sponsored video for this DIY body butter. Very cute box that this comes in. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh, very cute. We have a pink spatula for mixing, a container of shea butter, capsules, gloves, 2 of these containers to put our concoctions in, sweet almond oil, pink mica powder and purple mica powder, labels, cornstarch, and we have rose essential oil and lavender essential oil. And then here are the instructions. I think this is such a fun gift idea. This would be so fun for like a night in, a date night in, or something like that, or girls' night, guys' night, whatever. To make something like this could be a really fun project. Great gift for yourself. It has the ingredients and how to make this. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and make this now. So the first thing we're gonna do is add the shea butter, and we're gonna use a mixer to mix that up. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the amount I think I need for this, but I wanna fill both of my jars, so maybe I will use about half of this, or maybe I'll go ahead and use all of this. I think I can use all of this and then add some of the other ingredients. So we're gonna use our blender now to get this nicely blended. So we blended it until it's pretty much no lumps in here, and it's actually turning out nice and creamy now. So we're gonna go ahead and start combining some of the other ingredients. We have our sweet almond oil right here. Go ahead and pour that in. We're gonna go for about 1/3 of this bottle. I think that's about 1/3. We can add some of our vitamin E capsules. Then we're gonna add our fragrance oil. I'm going with the rose. Then we go ahead and mix this together. Then we're gonna add this to our shea butter in the large bowl. Now we're gonna blend all of this again. Then we're gonna add our cornstarch. And our powder, I'm gonna go with pink because I went with the rose scent. I think that would best match. That's kind of cool. They have the purple if you go with lavender, or the pink if you go with the rose. Just put a little bit of that in for coloring, and I guess you could put more or a little if you want to be very pink. And we can go ahead and use our little spatula to mix this up now. Now that we've mixed the powder in, we can go ahead and mix this even better again with the handheld mixer. So now we're done. We can go ahead and start adding this to one of our jars. And then we can add our pretty little label. And now we have our pretty little rose sticker here. I'm gonna take this off and put it on my body butter. And then we can go ahead and write body butter on there, and or the date that we made this, so we'll know that we need to use it or not use it. So very cute, smells nice, feels really moisturizing too. I've already gotten some on my hand, but let's go ahead and try a little bit more now. Really nice and kind of like an oily moisturizing feel.